Good morning, students. Today we are going to see some questions from the chapter 1 Partnership Fundamental. In from your book, question number 37. See, students, you will see in the question there is given Lalan and Balan were partnered in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Their fixed capital on 1st April 2017 were Lalan rupees 1 lakh and Balan rupees 2 lakh. They agreed to allow interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum and to charge on drawing 15% per annum. The firm earned a profit before all the above adjustment of rupees 30,000 for the year ended 31st March 2018. The drawing of Lalan and Balan during the year were rupees 3,000 and 5,000 respectively. Showing you calculation clearly, prepare PL appropriation account of Lalan and Balan. The interest on capital will be allowed even the firm incur a loss. In this question, is my dear students, we have to calculate interest on capital in the case of loss also. Okay, first of all we will prepare PL profit and loss account. You can see here in question PL profit and loss account. Okay, then what we will do, first of all we will calculate we will do PL appropriation account. Okay, my dear students, you can see here in the given question, first of all we will prepare PL account and then we will prepare PL appropriation account. In the given question you can see here the profit before interest is given 30,000 rupees, 30,000. Okay, in the question there is a profit of before all above adjustment is given. It means to say the profit for the given year is rupees 30,000. Okay, and after charging interest on capital, means if there is loss then what we will do. Okay, so my dear students, in this case interest on capital will allowed in PL account, and to interest on capital Lalan current account whatever is given rupees 1 lakh and rupees 2 lakh. Okay, then we will charge on this amount at the rate of 12% per annum interest on capital. Okay, so 1 lakh into 12 by 100, 12,000 and 24,000 on Balan current account. Getting you all are? So the total interest on capital amount is rupees 36,000 and we will deduct 36 minus 30, that is a loss of 6,000. The loss of 6,000, and this loss we will distribute in PL appropriation account. We will prepare PL appropriation account to PL profit loss account 6,000 and then we will distribute according to their profit sharing ratio, whatever in the question there is given. Okay, so by this way we will do this question number 37 from your book. Getting you all are? You can easily understand from this is the solution. If you want to do, you can. Okay, next question from your book, the practical question number is 58. In this question there is given, in this question you can see here after the question number 58, you can see, after the accounts of a partnership have been drawn up and the books closed off, it is discovered that for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 2018, interest has been credited in the partners upon their capital at 5% per annum, although no provision for interest is made in the partnership agreement. The amount are involved, interest credited is given 17 and 18. You are required to put through adjusting entry as on 1st April 2018 if the profit were shared as follow in 2017 221 and in 2018 343. First of all, before doing questions, you will read question carefully. Okay, so by this way we will see here. First of all, we will prepare in this question what? A table. Which table? A table. We will show through table the adjustment of all the amount. Okay, see here, in this given question, interest allowed on capital is given for 2016 and for 2017 and for 2018. Okay, see here, okay, for 2017 is 4200, 2400 and 1320, the total amount of 7920. And for the year 2018, 4320, 2520, 1320, this one. Okay, so the total amount of profit of both year is 16080. The total amount of profit is 16080, and we have completely omitted to record to these adjustment to these interest on capital, and we have prepared the partnership PL appropriation account and PL appropriation account and PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Okay, so you can see here for the given year this amount is given in your question. Okay, 40 interest on capital for 2017 and for 2018, both amount is given in your question. Okay, and after giving the interest on capital, we will distribute to this amount according to PL ratio, of the partner, that is 8520 4920 2640. Okay, but it should be divided according to the given ratio. What in the question is this: if the profit were shared as follows in 2017 221 and in 2018 343, means this is the ratio, means that amount whatever the question already have distributed, this amount will be distributed accordingly, ratio 2:1 and 343. And then after giving to this amount year wise, okay, year wise, then this amount will come 3168 168 and 7920 24, and in for 2018 in the ratio of 343 2448 3264 2448 and 8160. Okay, and the amount will come 5616 A of A 6432 of B and 4032 of C. So by this way we will set off from this to this. Okay, see here on your screen you can see we will set off from this amount to this, and we will calculate the net impact. The net impact will come, and your means A should debited from 8520, but he is debited 5616. Okay, B should debited from 4920, but he is credited 6432, and C should be debited from 2640, and he is credited from 4032. So the net impact, as net impact, the entry will come, we will set off from 8520 minus 5616, the entry A will be debited for more 2904, then our entry will be E's capital account 2904, to B's capital account 1512, and to C's capital account 1321. So by this way we will do this question. Okay, my dear students, next question we can see here. One more question is in from your book. This question number is 60C. 60C. Go and see the question. A and B are partner in a business sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their capital on 31st March 2008 after the adjustment of net profit drawing amounted to rupees 2 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively. Later on it was discovered that interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum as provided for in the partnership deed had not been credited to the partner's capital account. Distribution of profit this year, the net profit amounted to rupees 75,000 and the partners and withdrawn 24,000 each. Instead, on altering signed before balance sheet, it was decided to make an adjustment in it of the beginning of the new year, crediting to debiting the partner's account, giving the necessary general entry. According to this question, we will first of all we will calculate opening capital. What? Opening capital. Getting? Because we are knowing we will calculate interest on capital on this amount, but in the question there is given there is closing capital 2 lakh and 1,50,000 of A and B. Getting you all are? In the question there is given 2 lakh and 1,50,000. It is the closing capital, CC, closing capital. Getting? So whatever we have already added, that will be deduct, and what we have already deducted, that will be add back. Getting you all are? For getting the amount opening capital. So interest on capital, it is totally omitted from the recording in the books of account. Getting you all are? In the question is there is given, this question is from adjustment after closing accounts. Okay, so you can see here, my dear students, in the question there is given 2 lakh opening capital, closing capital, sorry, 1,50,000. We have already added share of profit. The amount of share of profit is 45,000. We will deduct 1,50,000 minus 30,000 will come 1,55,000 and 1,20,000. Getting Waller? And drawing whatever you have already deducted, that will be add back, and 1,55,000 plus 24,000 and 1,20,000 plus 24,000, 1,44,000. This will be what? In opening capital of the partners. Okay, and on this amount we will charge interest on capital. So interest on capital we will calculate 1,79,000. Rate of interest is given 8%. Okay, so you can calculate 00,800,89 is 72, 2787 is 63, and it will come 14320. So you can see here 14320 of A, and as it is we will calculate of B 11,520. 11,520, it will calculate on this amount 1,44,000, as it is 1,44,000 into 8 by 100, and it will come what? 11,520. So the total amount of profit 25,840. Before charging interest on capital, it has given. Getting over? Okay, see here, after setting off to this loss in the partners capital account of A and B, we will distribute this in the ratio 3:2, whatever is given in the question. You can see 25,840, we will distribute accordingly 15504 and 10330, then it 10336, and it will come 1184 and 1184. This is the net impact which we will remove through a single general entry, single adjustment entry. That is, the entry will be A should debited from 1184 and B should credited from 1184. The net impact as a journal entry you can see here. So by this way you can do questions. Hope you will do all the questions. Okay, my dear students, because if you will not do questions, then we will not get anything how we will use to the concept of partnership accounting in the practical questions, which is very important. Okay, in the next class we will see next topics, guarantee of a minimum share of profit. So for today, thank you very much.